Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Did this box slide in or did you build it in?
I slide.
Slide in? Okay.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Your voltage looks pretty good too. Yeah, you're staying into the high 13, low 14s. Yeah. Can I see your alternator? Yep, it's alright. Alright, man. So, what's your name, man, and what's in here?
My name is David. I have two level 5 12s on a Surge 10K.
Okay. Level 5s?
Yeah.
What are those RMS rated? I forgot.
3,000.
3,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Did you build this?
I built the system, but not the box.
Okay. Nice and sealed off on the trunk. Looks good, man.
All right.
So, sorry, a little bit more info. Like your battery power, your alternator.
I got a 45 luminous, 370 alt.
Okay. Any upgraded speakers or 4-channel, 2 channels at all?
I got a 4-channel Scar.
Scar. Okay.
On I forgot what
It's okay.
Speakers I got in there.
It's all right. And my last question: any SPL test in your tuning?
My tuning is at 32, peak at 33.
33. Okay. Hey, what's up, James?
I never been meter this since I put that new Surge amp.
You haven't?
No.
Okay. How are you liking the amp?
I love it.
You love it? All right. Yeah, I'll go check out the trunk too. All right, ready to hear it, man.
All right.
I was always hanging with the dogs at. I was always hanging with the raw glass. John Wick, cause they almost act like D-minus. Get it? Digest. Every little word I'm spitting, cause it's food for thoughts and pages. Better listen, I'm on a mission to kill enough of my competition, and if you want me dead, then go win this motherfucker. Bitch, I flow like boom, boom, clap. Bitch, I come from, we can never move that. Look into my room, get a view, look at my past. Goddamn, got weed, got check, got cheese, had that, got Jimmy, got slash, got shoes, got hat. Bipolar syndrome, Kiki, got mad. Walk on the red carpet like kiss my ass. I gotta get shit. Ask anybody in the 216 if my name rings bells and them bricks. Everybody know who that is. What you hate, boy, you hate, boy. You ain't heard about that great boy. 3-letter name Caucasian boy. Used to live right there up the way, boy. Man, you heard about him, you said the name. You shot a iTunes and clicked the play. You like the shit and you bought the shit and put them on a playlist right next to Jay. Your girl saw me, I signed the kids and she did the bitch. I couldn't find the bitch. No hard start, you know what time it is. I put my dick in a ton of sand. Someone come and show me where the drugs at. Someone come and pop on a hot song in a mosh pit, get an iPhone, take a video and make a last song. It's a popcorn, cause I murder every single instrumental that I get on, and I'm never thinking to stop this shit. Feel like picking up on like a Tupac live. Feel like everybody looking up. Didn't think I you would think these fuckboys fucking boys with the way that they be down on me. If it ain't EST in your mouth, then whatever you rappers call me. Got a new single, got me on it, that shit boring. Bitch, I'm snoring, man, I'm pouring it. None of these rappers.
Nice to meet you again, man.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.